work on using a contents menu. So we're going to make a rectangle on the lower portion of our card, and we're going to use the marquee tool, rectangular, second tool from the left side, and we're going to pull from the right, and our selection is going to be about 2.5 width by 0.75. And there's an error that I made, so I'm going to do Command D. Do you know what the error is? I have to make sure to be in the ribbons layer. So before anything wasn't selected. So in the ribbons layer, then I use my marquee tool, and I'm going to go from the right side and go down, and we're at 2.5. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So 2.5 by 75. Just do the best you can. And then we're going to use the brush tool. And if we hold down, I believe it's the command tool. Nope. The option tool. Nope. The control tool. Nope. What tool do I need to press to bring it up? Trying to remember. It's the shift tool. Nope. Oh, didn't want that one. So what tool do I need to look it up? Oh, shoot. I can't remember. For Windows, it's right click, and for Mac, it's control click. So control click. Make sure, oh, well, that was an error. I have the eyedropper brush tool, control click. We want a soft round, and we want a 65 pixel brush. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to brush in my rectangle. So this is creating a specific boundary box. So if I'm painting on the other side, you can see my brush is going onto the rows. It's not going to work because I'm only painting in that bounding box. After our image is already selected, I press Command D to deselect. Now remember, we select the brush and we use control click to bring up that menu. You can also do it up here on the top. There's many ways to do the same exact thing.